Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Nancy, and I'm happy to have you. Today we are doing a good old haul, makeup haul. I just finished filming a skincare haul, and if it's already up, I will link it at the end of this video and in the description. But now we are doing makeup. I'm going in no specific order. I have some notes here, a little bit about each product and some of the claims, so I will tell you about it as we go along. I will shut my little mouth and let's get started. Okay, starting off with a primer from Purlisse. This is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Okay, so this is described as an oil-free moisturizer to hydrate and prime skin in one step. Matcha green tea is a powerful antioxidant to prevent signs of aging. White tea soothes sensitive skin, while vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. That sounds amazing, and it looks like this. Ooh, and it has a delicious, delicious scent. Oh, wow. I would put this on just for the smell, just for the scent, even if it didn't do anything. And the reason I purchased it is because I actually own one of their BB creams, this one here, and I really liked it. So I figured let me just try something else from them, because that foundation is really, really pretty on the skin, very natural, satin finish, which is like what I love. Okay, the next thing is from Cosmetics. Some of you may be familiar with Cosmetics, and it is Color Drop Serum Blush, and I have the color Venetian Rose. And I think this is the baby size. They look like this, and you open it up and then it's like a little dropper. And this one, it's sheer buildable color, lightweight. Let's see, formulated with Sacha oil, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid to provide a youthful, dewy glow. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. I know these were really, really popular a while back. I tried this one, and it's really, it blends itself. It's so light, and a little goes a long way. You don't need much, literally like a little drop. It kind of spreads, and it looks beautiful on the skin. If you have dry skin, or if you like dewy, like a dewy type look, this definitely would give you that. Next, we have something from PUR, and this is the PUR Defense Anti-Pollution Eyeshadow Palette. Look at this beautiful packaging. That is so pretty. I cannot wait to play with this anti-pollution eyeshadow. Wow, that's new. With bold, easy to blend shadows, includes matte shimmer and satin finishes, skin nourishing benefits, a blend of green tea, ginseng, and vitamin B. How much do we believe that? I don't know. On eyeshadows, skincare? I mean, if it is in there, that is amazing, especially for us mature ladies with our wrinkly eyes. Next, we have something from Pinky Rose. I had never heard of them before. It is their Center Stage eyeshadow palette. And these colors just like, they called my name when I saw them in the picture. And they, by the way, they look exactly like they did on the picture. Next, we have Dose of Colors, and these two I did try. It's these little eyeshadows, and they each have their own little mirror. I picked up the color Reflection and Caffeine Queen. These are so freaking adorable. Like, look at the packaging. This one here, like the purplish one, this one is Caffeine Queen, and then the other one here is Reflection. My favorite one is this one. I put it all over the lid, and it's basically one of those eyeshadows. It's like one and done. You just put it all over the lid, blend the edges a little bit. They look so beautiful. I like it because it's not like too much. And for like mature eyes, I mean, I love shimmers, as you can see. I love glitter, shimmers, everything. But mature eyes, we can't really overdo it because we don't want to bring attention to like those lines, right? And especially me, I have like hooded eyes, so but products like this that are not too over the top are just perfect. So I was really happy with that one. Next, we have a palette from a brand called Kenia Ontiveros. This is their bronze palette. So it has a blush and then 2 other powders and the 3 bronzers here. I purchased it because I already owned their blush palette, which looks like this. This one fell off, but it had 3 highlighters and 3 different shades of blush. So because I knew I liked their quality, I picked up the bronzer one. The claims are a luxurious range of silky powders blend seamlessly into the skin with rich buildable payoff and long wearing finish. So cute. Next we have something from PUR Cosmetics. It is their pressed glow powder and the packaging is super beautiful. And this is what it looks like. I'm really not that much into highlighters, but I don't know, this one caught my attention. That tint is very pretty on dark skin tone, which sometimes is hard to find. This one is ultra fine, buildable, silky, creamy formula that can be used as highlighter, applied on the entire face. I really, really like it. I would use this as an eyeshadow. I mean, I do that with all my highlighters. I sometimes just put it in the inner corner or in the center of the lid. Just get multiple use out of them, but that color is really gorgeous. Next we have something from Touch in Sol. I love this brand. This is their Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and I already owned one, but I was almost finishing. So I purchased a backup because I just love it. It's great at hydrating, it's great under makeup. It's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And I totally agree with that claim, 100%. Then we have something from Dominique Cosmetics. It's their Pretty Fill and Define Lip Liner in the color Crush. And this is like a nudie, a peachy nude. I actually picked up 2 of these because this color is pretty good for me, for my skin tone. Yeah. And what I like, it's a very unique design. It has a teardrop shape. So it's narrow at the tip and wide at the bottom so that it covers, so that you can be like more accurate in the corners. It's really, really nice. And I've tried it a couple times. It's creamy, easy to apply, and it stays put. And I really, really love it. It has like a demi matte finish. Up next we have a primer from Marc Jacobs. It's their Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. And it's like just a universal shade. So it works for everyone. It comes like this. It feels very, very silky. It doesn't really smell like coconut, which is a shame because I love the smell of coconut. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything, but it does feel really nice. So they claim, let's say, this lightweight blurring primer, yes, I agree that it's blurring, extends makeup wear and features 5 forms of coconut to help nourish and smooth the complexion in a universal shade. Sign me up. Then we have something else from PUR Cosmetics. Their Miracle Mist Hydrating Spray. And let's see, looks like this. I haven't tried it, but we're gonna, oh shoot, oh, it's got plastic, okay. I need scissors, BRB. Okay, I'm back, I got it off. So here it is. It has a fine mist. And it smells really nice. It says instantly moisturize dry skin with more than 70 essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids. Also works as a setting spray. So this is more like an essence, like something you would use before you start putting your treatments and your serums on. And I love it because I am huge on essences. I love trying new ones, so I'm really excited about that one. I thought it was more like a setting spray, but I like that it's more of like a skincare than makeup. Not that I don't love makeup, obviously I do, but I love skincare too. Probably a little more. Okay, what's next? Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer, and the shade is Aruba Island. So it's here. I have a blush from them, which I really liked, and so that's why I picked up the bronzer. But I feel like this shade might be a little bit too light for me. It says it's oil controlling formulation infused with botanical ingredients, super lightweight. Yeah, see, it comes up almost like a blush on me. So maybe, yeah, maybe that'll be like a nice nudie type blush. I like that. I dig it. It's okay. I have next, I have another product from Touch in Soul, the No Poreblem Primer Eraser. And I swear to you, I could have invented this because I've been doing this for a long time. I have been using this one. I take this and I take a Q-tip and I clean out like the smudges. But they came and made it into a product. So they put the product in here, and then so the product comes out of this side, and then the other side is this little sponge to smudge away like the eyeliner or the mascara that has, you know, that you have running. So when I saw that they created this, I was like, oh my God, this is great. So I picked up two because I need one in my purse and I need a backup. This is when I run out, I don't know if I'll be able to get my hands on it again. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, then we have something from Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss in the shade Honey. And I only go for like nude colors. I mean, I had like reds. I try to wear red around the holidays. It just like it's not flattering on me. It's weird. You would think that with my skin tone, red would be flattering, but it's not. It makes my lips look like, I don't know, like too big. It's weird. So this is what it looks like. I prefer my nudes. Thank you very much. I'm just gonna swatch a little bit. Yeah, it's nice. Ooh, maybe I should put some on. Should I? Let's put some on. Has a nice scent. No taste. It feels nice and comfortable. Oh, I like it. I really like it. So that was Persona. Then I have this set from Kaja, which is funny because I had picked it up last holiday and then I changed my mind. I picked it up because I do love Kaja. I love their bento trios, their eyeshadows. I have like 4 of them. And this includes one of them, and it's I think it's a limited edition. Then it has a blush, a highlighter. The highlighter is really nice. So sheer, and that's what I like about it. For mature skin, love it. I think if anything, just for the highlighter, this was worth it. Because the other stuff, like I'm not really too impressed with the blush. This is like a lip liner. You push it up and it has like the little shape of a heart. It's cute, but it's like, I don't know, it's girly. But that highlighter is worth it. So yay, Kaja. Next up, we have something from Saturday Skin, and I'm familiar with this product because I had one before and I used it up and I love it. It's called Saturday Skin Daily Dew Hydrating Essence Mist. This refreshing and hydrating face mist is a toner and essence in one. An antioxidant-rich formula that helps block free radicals and delivers moisture and nourishment over and under makeup. So you can use it however you want. Like I said, I love essences. I use toner every single day religiously, morning and night. So I will probably be using it as a toner. I'm so glad I picked it up. I'm so glad. Love it. Thank you, Saturday Skin. Love. We have 2 products from Farsali. I have the Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. So this is perfect to use in the morning at the beginning of your day, protect your skin throughout. I love to use things like this under my moisturizer. Apply to clean face before moisturizer. Yes, can be used as a primer before makeup application. So I have it with my makeup and I've been using it as a primer. Now the other product from Farsali, where is it? The Rose Gold Skin Mist. Hold up. Oh, it's right here. And it's upside down too. Here it is. This one I wasn't too impressed with. And this is a 24K Gold Infused Hydrate, Prime, and Set Skin Mist. Spray on bare skin or over makeup. Glycerin, yes, glycerin is the 3rd ingredient. I looked at the ingredient deck. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you. Thank you very much. Like 99% of the things I can't even pronounce, but I saw glycerin and I know that's hydrating. I don't understand what's up with the 24K. I don't know how that is good for the skin, or is it real gold? I don't know. I haven't done research on it, but I don't like the scent. Yeah, that's what, the scent turns me off. So I don't know. Maybe I'll end up using this one on my feet. If you haven't seen my latest video, I talk about a trick that I use to keep my feet nice and soft and moisturized. I use like essences that I don't want on my face. I just put them upstairs and use them on my feet every night before moisturizing. Nice little trick, it works. We have another product from Persona that I almost forgot to show you. It's a stick bronzer and looks like this. And let's see, the shade is Dune, and you can use it in the eyes, cheeks, and lips. And I played around with this. I took some on a brush and I just put it on my crease as a transition color, and it does blend really nicely. I don't think I would, here's a color, you could barely see it on my skin tone. This is too light for me. So I could see how this may not work as a bronzer for me, but I could use it as a blush. It blends super, super nice here. It says it's a clean, lightweight, cream bronzing multi-stick formulated with skin-loving ingredients, designed for an all-over sun-kissed bronze glow. Sign me up. I mean, I already kind of have that, but, and I'm not trying to show off by saying that. I just mean like, it just is. Yeah, see, I blended it and it kind of blended away. Okay, and then I have something else from Dose of Color. And this is a lip liner in the shade Honeymoon. It's like a peachy one. And yes, this would be a good one for like the summer. Yeah, you could barely see it. Oh, I just broke a whole piece. Whoopsie. Let me see. Yeah, this is too light. This is too light for me. I would have to use this. I couldn't use it as a lip liner. I would have to use it just like all over the lip and then use a darker lip liner. Yeah, this, I didn't realize that it turned out to be this light. I'm gonna link for you right now the last 3 videos that I did, because they were a series of empties, where the first 2 videos are empties on skincare, and I share with you a ton of products that I've gone through, ranging from so many different brands. And then the last video, the third part, is empties on makeup. So I will link them right now so you can kind of binge and see all the products that I've used up. This splurge and this haul makes sense because you'll see the amount of products that I finished. And if you made it through the end, I am so glad you did. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, your week, and I will hopefully see you on the next one. Take care. Be well. Bye.